Every week, hundreds of Ugandans get married in different religious ceremonies, civil unions, and even traditional functions. For most of these couples, the expectation is that their marriages will be happy ones, which will weather the test of time. But this is not always the case. A growing number of marriages in the country are ending in estrangement, separation, or divorce. While divorce is relatively rare, there are indications that more and more marriages are ending in permanent dissolution through legal divorce. The spokesperson for the judiciary, Solomon Munita, says since 2013, the Family Division of the High Court has registered over 2,000 pending cases, and a growing number of them are divorce cases.
For 2017 alone, 2017 we have 126 filed in 2016, 51 completed overall. But still pending is 437 divorce cases.
Statistics of cases recorded at the Family Division High Court indicate that in 2013 there were 85 cases, in 2014 there were 68 cases, in 2015 there were 178 cases, in 2016 there were 149 cases, while in 2017 they dropped to 126 cases. The main cause of legal marriage breakups at the court is predominantly adultery, cruelty, and domestic violence.
The main causes of divorce in this year, we've seen adultery is the biggest. Adultery, promiscuity in marriages, that has been the major.
While previously it was very difficult for women to successfully end their marriages, over the past few years, the number of men and women filing for divorce is almost at par. The rising rate of divorce has also been attributed to changes in attitude towards marriage and social roles.
People divorce because they can't forgive. People divorce because they can't control their anger. People divorce because they do not count the cost. They don't worry about the consequences. But more cynical than that, people divorce because it is trendy.
The unhealthy belief systems, believing in witchcraft, the ineffective communication in family, in marriages, the failure to have commitment to work on our marriages, the poverty, and then the personal immaturity. People have not yet matured very well to go into the marriage.
Ali Maleh says children who are silent victims of divorce have to endure the agony of two parents ending their marriage.
Because behind the scenes we have the wives, we have the husbands, and we have the children who become so vulnerable because of the breakups. They become so vulnerable to so many other sensitive issues, psychosocial issues like stress, post-traumatic stress disorder, like anxiety, and even non-performance at school.
Because of the costs of divorce, there is a higher prevalence of legal divorce among the relatively well-to-do. These divorces are also made more complicated by issues of division of property accumulated over time. As traditional attitudes that frowned upon divorce are considered obsolete, and the individual empowerment of especially women continues to gather pace, all indications are that divorce will become a more common means of dealing with disputes in marriage. Andrew Anyitwe, NTV.